Want to give your device a unique look? You can tweak its font by adjusting the size and weight. Here is how. Go to Settings. Select Display, Brightness, and Eye Protection. Tap Font Style. If you need more fonts, you can tap More Fonts to buy and download the fonts you need in the themes. You can choose from the pre-installed fonts, such as Vivo Sans. Tap Apply to use the font as the system font. If you want to adjust the font size and weight, you can select Display, Brightness and Eye Protection on Settings, then tap Font Size and Weight. Drag the slider in Font Size to select the font size you want. If you use Vivo Sans as the system font style, you can drag the slider in Font Weight to select the font weight you want. For other fonts, you can turn on Bold Text